What a day. Again. Parang since 4 a.m. gising na ako. It's okay. Preparing to be
Dad.
dad pagod.
Sabi niya, no,
Sabi
then,
ni na.
ikaw yung mag-a-adjust dun.
Sabi ni na?
Baby, aray.
Ay, sorry. Honey, foreshadowing. Tingin ka sa kanya. Tapos mag-apply kang cashier sa Mercury. Hindi kaya sa National Bookstore pag.
Wait, punta tayo sa SM. Ay, gusto kong bilhin eh. Kalimutan ko.
We're done with our errand, which is the Japan visa
Ayan,
picture.
sige, punta tayo dito. Bili tayo ng lotion or something.
And right now, kaya ako nag-video actually kasi may craving ang buntes. Tell them your craving.
Sinigang.
Sinigang na baboy. Naku ba ba
Sinigang
umasim
with
yung
gulay.
kilikili ng firstborn natin.
So, soupy food with, alam mo, nagkaka-brain fog ako, promise, as earlier. Ano sinasabi ko ba?
Dalawa yung topic mo. Isang brain fog at isang mga ulam na kinikrave.
Ayun, yung kinikrave ko na ulam is yung soupy na walang laman. Gusto ko yung
Soupy na walang laman.
puro gulay lang and soup, parang ganun yung gusto ko.
Oh, so mga like a pumpkin soup kind of thing.
Ano, sinigang nga eh.
Eh sabi mo walang laman, sinigang has laman.
No, but tanggalin mo yung baboy.
Okay. Sa bagay. Tanggalin mo kasi yung baboy. Aanga-anga na naman ako eh.
How can I be part myself? How can I be proud?
Ano tong wireless bra? Parang headphones. Ano ba?
Yun lang.
Drink po.
Water lang.
10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
This is the pecho one.
Yeah.
Oh, just the right amount of sourness. He's good. Siyempre, it doesn't hit like the Bacolod chicken. But it's okay. Maybe the expectation is too high. Ito talaga yung mamimiss ko eh. Paglabas mo marami pa ring puno, fresh pa rin yung hangin. Siyempre dahil babalik na naman tayong Manila. Airport pa, medyo mausok, medyo matraffic. Okay lang. Ganun talaga ang life. Balita friends.
Hi, vlogger! So yun, si Long, broken siya kasi...
Na naman? Para pang-vlog mo talaga yan, Trins? Taray!
Honey likes to vlog.
Going to Beloy and Marina's wedding.
This is our first wedding that I am
Oh.
pregnant.
Impregonats. I added a hashtag. Sorry Marina. Sana pala Beloy Beauty na lang yung dinagdag ko kaysa yung
Oo nga, no?
only Beloy touches my skin.
But that's funny.
I know.
That's funny. Beloy Beauty. Ah!
Right?
Yeah.
Beloy Beauty. Only Beloy touches my skin. This is your mom and dad. Life before you. Baby Mads. Baby Maddie.
You're really sure about the gender.
Beloy and babes. Ingepet na. Ayun ang dakurakan. Power.
Ngayon, sabi mo, Beloy, bawal magbasa. Wala ako sasabihin.
We're pauwi na.
Yeah. What
We
time
had
is it?
fun.
We had fun because
Yeah. Reasonable fun because someone is pregnant. Reasonably fun.
yeah,
What time is it, honey?
it's 9:25.
9:25.
9:30.
Yep. That's
It's
okay
nice.
na.
It's nice because Beloy and also Marina,
They
Or-
are our people.
yeah, big part of our journey also as a married couple.
Yeah.
Kasi sila yung gumagawa ng house namin. And dami na rin namin napagkwentuhan even beyond the architect.
Yeah.
And all I can say is sobrang sipag, kind, and nako, patient
True.
with all
True.
the unlimited
True.
and also contingency plans. and
Saka yung
all.
advice nila more than yung what
yeah,
kung anong required,
Yeah.
like-
yeah, so definitely if I'm gonna build a house again, or I'm gonna continue building a house, I'm sure it's gonna be them.
Kava number one.
Ah,
Kava number one.
we're here na.
Okay, bye. We're going home na.
Bye!